Hey guys, I'm Ted from Defender Safety, and today we're going to go over the installation process, the removal process of the suspension for the H1 series helmet. Our suspension system can be bought separately to replace your suspension, whether it's starting to smell, it's starting to break, or just become uncomfortable because the comfort sweatband is wearing off a little bit. These really have a life expectancy of about a year. Maybe less depending on how much you use the helmet itself. So we sell the replacement, and a commonly asked question we get is, how do I install it? How do I adjust it to my head? And how do I take it out and remove the old suspension and replace it? We're gonna go over all that today and hopefully give you an overview of how to do everything from soup to nuts. The suspension itself comes with everything you need. It comes with the top suspension, the sweatband, the side, the ratchet, the chin strap. So it's a full replacement just in case any of the parts have got worn off, and you're just seeing a full replacement of the helmet, which pretty much gives it a brand new clean feel. So now let's get to the inside of the helmet and let's look at taking out the suspension. It's done pretty easily. It can be done in about 30 seconds. Once you get this down pat, it's much simpler. And you'll understand it right off the bat is these clips basically control all the suspension. So they mount the suspension, and they also act as a mounting point for a headlamp, ear protection, or anything you want to customize or hang from your helmet. So these pop right out. With a little force, just upward, you can pop them right out. And you'll see the suspension mounts nicely to the straps and the clips. So pop these out. So once you have all the straps removed, now you're going to remove the suspension from the helmet. It can be done very easily. If you need assistance, use a screwdriver. If not, you can just pop it out with your hands. So you're gonna put some force underneath the plastic piece suspension and pop out the 3 clips on either side. And those came out pretty easily, and now we have separated the suspension from the shell of the helmet. While we have suspension here, let's look at the adjustment points on the suspension. There is 2 adjustment points you can make on the suspension on either side. They have a very easy system of just snapping out and being moved into the right direction that you need. By the way, the chin strap is also an adjustment point, so you can see on the back of the chin strap, you will see a little arrow with the word lateral, and this is an adjustment point. For installation, you're just gonna really do the reverse. I would suggest the best way to start is start inserting the clip and the suspension unit back together. So seat the suspension in the helmet, and then start with your clips, because I'd say they're the most difficult part about the installation. So once you have everything adjusted, get your clips, make sure you have the right one, thread it through, and you're ready to start having the suspension be clipped back into the helmet. So line these up. So you're going to repeat the same process for all 4 clips around the outside, and then you're going to take the plastic pieces on the suspension and you're going to thread them right back in the same holes that they were. And you can do that with your hand. If you have any trouble, just revert to the screwdriver to add some pressure. For instance, this clip isn't inserted all the way, so I'll use the screwdriver, just get it in there good, and apply some pressure and you're good to go. We're gonna repeat to the other side and fix the clips. That's the basic installation of putting back your suspension. It's a lot easier than it looks. If you have any more questions about the H1 series helmets, installing your suspension, or anything else revolving around Defender Safety, shoot us an email, give us a call, or just go on our website and visit us. Thank you so much.